Right. Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to the final hour of trading in today's market. It's January 24th, Monday. What a day we have had. It's your buddy Uncle Bruce where we explain the markets in plain English. That's all we try and do.
Monday.
First thing we do, we got to mute the button so you don't hear myself talking. Anyway, yeah, what a run. We were down over 1,100 points for a little bit, maybe half an hour, 20 minutes, something like that, in and around 1,000, 1,100 points. And then the market had a bit of a bounce. Just after 12:30 today, the markets began to experience bargain hunting at its finest, and I figured that's what we should be getting. Yeah, we bottomed out at 33,150 for the Dow, 33,150. Now we're at 33,784. So that's 634 points better than we were. Okay. Still down 480, but 630 points better. So that's pretty good. It looks to me like the market is the worst is over at the moment. I don't know if we'll have a last hour drop off, but it looks like we're having a nice surge right now. I'll see how long this lasts. But I have noticed definite improvement on the number of stocks in the last 2 hours, and that's great to see. Some of our favorites that we like to follow here, Rocket Lab, we're at 856 right now, down 44 cents. We hit the low at noon at $8, so we have come back 56 cents from the low, and 4.4 million shares traded. So it's actually improved. Let's put it this way: we're 60% of the way back from a loss. Okay, so that's improving. We'll see if this keeps on coming on here. SoFi hit a low of 1183 today. We're now at 1287. That's $1.04 recovery. We're $1.02 down, so we're halfway back. We hit the best level of the day on SoFi at 2 o'clock today Eastern. Now here we're at at 2 Eastern. We were back to 317 about roughly. Now we're at 1288. So we've given up 29, 30 cents from the high of the recovery since the 12 o'clock low. But if the market keeps coming on, and the Dow now is only down 479, this keeps coming on, we'll have more upward movement on these stocks as well. Just notice SoFi now 1290, down 99 cents. Okay, we might have higher highs. Yeah, okay, we'll see. GameStop, all right, at just around noon, 12:15 today, we bottomed out at 86.29. 86.29. And it stopped and then did a quick turnaround. GameStop in like an hour came back to 97.91, then took a shot at 100 by going to 99.54 about half an hour after that. Right now we're at 96.43, down 9.93 on the day, and 5.4 million volume, which is mediocre. It's not light, it's not heavy, it's medium. So we've had the drop, a little recovery, a little pullback, because we were just a few minutes ago around 94.50. Now we're at 96.20, a little better. We'll see how that plays out. We have a long way to go before this day is over today. Matterport is at 10.05 right now. The low was $9, $1.05 comeback on this one. 14.4 million traded on the day. It did reach 10.25 just around 2 o'clock today at its best level. So it backed off a bit. Now it's coming on again. 10.25 is the best level. 10.07 now, just a couple more pennies on the upside on Matterport. Still down 26 cents. 23andMe has gone green. It hit a low of 3.99 just around 11:30. It turned before the market turned. It started coming on. And it is right now at $4.50 a share. At this moment in time, it is a break even. The high already $4.58. So we're in much better shape on ME than we were this morning. See if it can gain a little more ground. $4.51 now, up a penny. Spire is at $2.28. $2.20, up 6 cents on the day now. The low this morning, 201, and that was at 10:30 this morning. That's when it hit its low. Then it came back into this 205 neighborhood. When the market did its turn, it was around 205. Then it ran up to its high of the day of 232.9, almost $2.33. It's given up about 6, 7 of those, but it's still plus a nickel on 834,000. So Spire was one of the first stocks to turn green on us today. ATIP, at noon today, they were at the low of 298.5 cents, 298. Now they're at 317.5. They're still down 20 cents from the 239 close, but they have definitely improved by 19 cents. About half the loss has been brought back here. Volume of 1.6 million so far. We'll see if ATIP keeps improving as the afternoon goes along here. It looks like it might. Smart Rent down 28 cents. It was just 31 cents. It's now down 28 cents. Smart Rent is at 683, hit a low of 660. It's only been as high as 695. We've only had a 35-cent range, and we're at 683 towards the higher end of this, down 28 cents on 764,000 volume. So Smart Rent is inching back. Cyxtera was the first of our favorite former SPACs to go green. It opened this morning at its low of the day around 10:51. Within seconds, it was at 10:51 this morning. Now it's 11:07. It's up 21 cents on the day. The high of the day, 11:23. So it's been even better. It's been even 15, 17 cents higher than this. So we have an improving market on Cyxtera today, up 21 cents to 11:07 on 222,000. Okay, we'll take it. The Dow right now down 535, 1.5%, 1.56%. We've got S&P 500 down 78 points. That's 1.78%. And we've got NASDAQ off 234, down 1.7%. These were far lower earlier today than we are now. The oil market, 82.86 a barrel, down 228 today. So we've kind of gone from 85, 86 a barrel to 82 in the last couple of sessions-ish. So we're a little better off now. 562 is the down dip on the Dow. Half of the Dow's losses have been brought back. See what the last 53 minutes wants to bring us. Other stocks, we are following AMC at 1592, down 205. AMC cratered at noon at 14.23 a share. It was $1.60 lower than this. So she was off 370, now down 210. 73 million volume, not enough to save it. Robinhood tried to break even and probably did. It looks like it was a penny below or close to the break-even line. Anyway, it's at 12.76 now. Did get to 13.08 on 33 million, but it's still down at the moment 22 cents. But a little uptick happening right now on Robinhood, trying to come back. We'll see if the Dow lets it. Vanik Vectors down 348 to 268. We got as low as 257 on Vanik. An $11 recovery today on Vanik. And we're now at, this ETF is now 268, down 340. Very, very good recovery there. Now, Home Depot was down on the morning, then it was up, then it was down around noon when the market hit its low. Now it's up. It's up 732, not even close. It's up nicely, 2% gain on Home Depot. The low was 344. We're at now 356. $12 turnaround on Home Depot. Very nice. IBM got down to 124.21. It's now 126.34. $2.10 or so better, down $3 still. And IBM earnings come out IBM tonight after the bell. We hear from IBM tonight, and we'll see what that's all about. All right, now Dow is down at the moment 512 points. Microsoft right now is down $6.19. It's at 289.84. Microsoft was as low as 276.05. 1370 lower than where we are now. We've recovered 1370 on Microsoft. This is a huge move today. So we're still down $6, but we are inching higher again. So the stock is building momentum, going higher. Apple touched 154.70 today. It's now 158.11. So it's come back three something dollars. And Goldman Sachs, man, oh man, this morning at 10 o'clock, just after 10 o'clock, the low was hit at 326. $326 was the low. We're now at 337 on Goldman. We've come back 11 big ones. And we're approaching, if not at, almost the high of the day at 337.45 or so. Just 20, 30 cents off the high of the day. Goldman is finally recovering. Still down 640 on the day, but it's come back a long way. Cisco opened down, went up, then went down. It went as low as 54.87. That's as low as the stock got, 54.87. It's now 55.99. Let's say 56. Among friends, we're at 56 bucks. So that's $1.13 improvement from the low of the day. We're still down 70 odd cents ish, 71, 72, 73 cents. So we've improved. We're down a little, not a lot. Okay, let's see how that goes. Facebook down 49 cents. That's all, 49 cents. As a matter of fact, right this second, Facebook went positive for the second time today. It's just went green. It's 7 cents to the good. 303.24 right now. The low 289. That's $14 ago on Facebook. That's serious. That is a serious up move right there. Really good, like 4 or 5% recovery. So I think this market might add quite a bit here. We're going higher on this market. We're now up 34 on Facebook. We're climbing. Amazon is off $29, but it's coming on nicely. The low was $2,707 a share, 2707. We're at 2823. Hello, $115 recovery today on Amazon. $115 recovery today. We're down 29 bucks and we're coming on again. So this is looking good. I like this. Tesla got as low as 851.49. It's now 896.84. So we're going to add here $45 a share. Still down 47, but it's climbing right now. Tesla is moving up right now. The Dow is down 441. We just climbed 100 points in about 5 minutes here. S&P is down 62. NASDAQ down 175. NASDAQ is down 1.27. The Dow is down 1.29 and S&P down 1.4. So the markets are improving. Now, Google was down to $2,492. It's now $2,544. So $52 gain from the low of the day. We're down 53 bucks, halfway back for Google. So we've had some really substantial turnarounds on a number of our stocks. Target was at 211.92. It's now 217. Still down a couple of. I just broke even. Target just broke even. Costco was as low as $469. It's now $482. It's gone green, up 69 cents on Costco. Walmart was as low as 137, now 138.80. Still down about $1.30, but coming on quick. Nvidia, what a turnaround here. We were down to 209 on Nvidia. We're now at 227. Nice, a very nice move there on Nvidia. Still down $6, but coming on gangbusters. Even Disney today was as low as 129. It's now 134. So it's recovered $5. Still only down 2 now. And who else has done some nice stuff here? Netflix got down to 351. We're now at 376, 377. We've got Snowflake was as low as 245, now 268, $23 turnaround. Wow. Moderna as low as 138, now 150, a $12 comeback, still down 960. Got a ways to go yet. Workday down to 233, now 243, $10 turnaround. These are the stocks that are inside that Cathy Wood, the Cathy Wood ETF, the Innovation Fund, ARKK. Let me take a look at good old ARKK here and see how it's faring. Let's see if I have it in here. ARKK. And just wait for the symbols to reload. We're down 431 on the Dow, coming on again. Down only 60 on the S&P. That's coming up. NASDAQ down 161. That's coming up. Definitely coming up. All right, let's do it the old-fashioned way here. ARKK. Just type in the symbol. Okay, we are up on ARKK. This is a substantial turnaround. We were down to $65, $64.98, rounded up to 65. We're now 71.72. We're up. We're back $6.70 on this ETF. This is a huge turnaround. Very good. It's gone green for the second time today. It's up 12 cents right now. And that's telling me that the NASDAQ non-top 7 stocks are really turning it around. They're really turning it around. This is good. This is great. We're happy to see this. Okay, we've got some definite improving going on, and it's definitely beginning to show here. Let me continue on with some more quotes. Coming back to our faves here. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, Rocket Lab now only down 34 cents. SoFi down 83 to 13.06. GameStop 97.17 down $9, was down 20. We've got there we go. There we are. We've got Matterport down 7 cents. 10.26. 7 cents. That's all. ME up 6. Spire's up 6. ATIP down 16. Smart Rent down 16. Cyxtera up 32 cents. We're improving. 97.24 on GameStop. 367 is the down dip on the Dow now. We've come back 800 points today. This is big. We're down 50 on the S&P. We're down 121 on NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is only off 0.88 of a percentage point. That's a big move. 1.05 drop on the Dow and 1.15 on S&P. So we really have a turnaround happening here on these markets, and I'm very happy to see all this. It's nicely done. DQ, Uncle Bruce, I was finally able to scoop back all of those March Cisco calls I rolled back in December. Finally got out of that hole. Beautifully done. Nice going. Finally. Nice going, buddy. Yep. Patience. Sometimes you just got to stick around and wait a little bit. Anti-PC has indicated that she is, it says here she's a new member. She's a Chillin' Uncle Bruce member, and I thank you, Auntie, for renewing your membership. We love you. Thank you. Let's continue on. I love this. I love this market, man. This is good stuff. Let's hope this just keeps rocking. Let's see what this market wants to do. Yep. VIX is dropping. Seems that the peak was achieved, at least for now. Let's see how it moves along. Rocket Lab down 36 cents. SoFi down 88 at 13.01. GameStop 96.93. Matterport down 12 cents. ME now up 1.9, up 6 on Spire. We're down 17 cents on ATIP, and Smart Rent, we're up 26 on Cyxtera. Definitely improving. Robinhood still down 9 cents. Vanik only down 54 cents. Some of these, there's some significant turnarounds here that are beginning to show up. Goldman Sachs, 337.80, only down $6 now. Big turnaround from the low of the day of $326, $11 gain from the low of the day on Goldman. Cisco down 58. Facebook +3. We're definitely coming on. Nice to see all of this happening. Cisco now up 79 cents. Going green on Cisco. Snowflake up 126. And what have we got here? What else is going on here? Other stocks. I'm watching Intel down 85 cents. Micron only down 46 cents. Micron is at 81.47. It was down to 77.60. Yeah, we've come back almost $4 there. That's a good sign. A very, very good sign. Love the strength. Hopefully it continues. We'll see what this market wants to keep giving us as we watch all of these events here. And, what can I say? I just bought back. My AMC made a quick buck, not now waiting to write new call once it goes back up. Hello, Smith, you're doing it right. You've got it. There we are. Do you know, Bruce, if SoFi can buy back stock at these levels, or do they need to wait an amount of time? Yeah, they won't buy back any of their stock. As a corporation, they won't buy any of their stock. They're not profitable. So without being profitable, it is not a smart move to buy back your own stock. No, no, you turn the corner financially, and you start making money, and you build cash. Then you talk about buying stock back with excess money. Yeah, but of course, the fourth quarter financials come out in a couple of weeks. We'll find out how they're doing. We are likely going to get a surprise, a good surprise, I think, and the stock will likely bounce back up again. And then it's just a matter of analysts coming out going, well, that's 2 quarters in a row that they have exceeded their numbers. They now have the bank charter. We can add $200 to $300 million to the bottom line now. These guys are going to have a profitable 2022. That could push the market to the 20, 25, 30 range. And then from there, money starts to flow in. They're not going to need to buy back stock. It's just going to go to 40 to $50 anyway. No need to buy stock. Let's see. Here we go. The Credit Savage. Good afternoon, my fellow simpletons and Uncle Bruce. Glorious day glorious day, you all. I hope you all took advantage of this extreme sale. Lord, I bought 400 more Matterport, and I took a position on Spire at 1,000 shares. Right on. All right, on. Nicely going. Way to go, Savages, baby. Let's see. I love days like these. If there was a sale at your favorite store, Louis Vuitton, and say it went up for 70% off, would you be excited? Well, that's how I felt today. Bargain basement prices. Any thoughts on writing GameStop calls, Uncle Bruce? Yes. If the GameStop shares approach 100 and we sort of level off there, you're going to want to write 100s to 105s for this Friday, 105s to 110s for next Friday. That's my first initial thought. We're at 96.93 right now. We tried to go for a $100 hit. It was close, not quite, but that wasn't too bad just after 2 o'clock today. But if it wants to take a little shot here late in the day towards 100, 101, 102, I'd be looking at 105s, 103s, 106s for this Friday, next Friday, little higher. And I'm looking for premiums. Absolutely. Okay. Let's go here. What else is going on? Oops, something other than Sextera just flashed green. How about that? Clay, 1,000 shares in Spire Credit Savage. Those are rookie numbers. There you go. We are now, let's see here. Let me just flick this over here and set that up. Yeah, we're coming on a bunch of stuff here. Rocket Lab is now 867. We're not too far away. From our high of the day on this stock, 882, 15 cents away. We're down only 33 cents on Rocket Lab on 4.6 million. So we've come back from $8 to 867. Nice. SoFi back to 13, down only 89 cents. GameStop 96.94, trying to reach 97 here. Matterport 1016 now, down 16 cents. That's all it's down. The high was 1028, and we're taking a run at it right now. 14.9, call it 15 million traded. ME is up 2 cents to 452. Spire is up 6.5 to 228.5. ATIP is down 17. Smart Rent down 21. Sextera up 27 cents, 11.13. We have 3 of our stocks in the green. Matterport is knocking on the door. Rocket Lab is coming on, only down 31 now. That one could turn green as well. We might go green on Smart Rent if we get another surge like we're getting now. And if ATIP can keep it going, we might break green on it too. Let's see. Bruce, do you feel there's any run-up on GameStop around the 28th due to the anniversary? No, I don't see that. What I sense is earnings. When earnings get closer, if there's any good news anywhere inside that GameStop family that they're sensing, enough employees are sensing that they're building their business, that the e-commerce is coming on, that we don't see because, of course, we can't measure traffic inside the warehouses where they ship all this merchandise. We don't know what the status of e-commerce is for GameStop. It could be just rocking and rolling for all we know. And they could surprise us with a 15, 20% increase in e-commerce numbers. that could shock us, shock analysts and go, oh, wow, look at that. The company's got 45% of all of its revenue from e-commerce. Like, we don't know. We don't know. We need something like that to really move it and shockingly move it. Like, oh, wow, the margins on e-commerce are way better than at retail because they're getting retail prices out of a warehouse. Yeah, and you don't have the rent at the warehouse that you do in a retail store. That could then spur them on to say, okay, we're going to start closing off 10% of our stores every 6 months or something like that. The weakest 10% every 6 months are gone, and within 3-4 years from now, we'll be down to half the stores, and those will be the best performers. Everything else gone because we're replacing it with e-commerce. Now, the fungible tokens and the crypto and everything else digital, that's the wild card. But we'll see what's going on. Anyway, there it is. Let's go. I bought a SoFi May 1250 from some poor sap this morning, says Nicholas. I bought a SoFi at 1250 and we're at 1308. Nice. Nice going. Let's see how it runs. The Dow down only 343. We are really coming on right now. We're down only 1%. S&P down 51, NASDAQ down 134. We're looking much, much better here. This is a good 800-point recovery. Well, let's just see what's happening. Yeah, we'll see what's going on. Nicholas, I'm already up. Nicholas is saying I'm already up 25%. Nicely done. Nicely done on that contract. Credit Savage, I feel bad for the dumbass that sold me those 450 Matterport for 920. 1016. Yeah, I can imagine you feel terrible. It must be eating you up inside. ME unchanged. Spire up 9. Xterra is up 30 cents. We're down 29 on Rocket Lab. We're coming on 871. SoFi down 86 cents. 97.04 on GameStop. We've broken through 97 again. Matterport 10.05 down 28. ME down just 2 now. ATIP down 20. SmartRent down 20. So we're pushing it here. See if we can go higher. Down 312 on the Dow, down 0.9% now. Down 0.9. NASDAQ down 0.8, down 112.9. S&P down 45 points. So we definitely have more upside coming in here. And a lot of stocks are on short sale restrictions. So the bargain hunters are having no trouble picking off the stock, and they're chasing what's left. And there isn't a lot out there because whoever wanted out got out. They got out this morning, and in the first 3 hours, they either were blown out or they ran out the door, and there's nobody left. We've cleaned out a lot of loose change around here, and now we're going to see just where this market wants to go. Remember, we've had 7 down days in a row on the Dow. We're still down 416 right now. This will be number 7 or number 8, but I think we're nearing the end of the beginning of the end of this route, if this is even it. It wouldn't surprise me. This market is the market has so much money in it. There's so much money around that can go into this market. If investors get the impression, the traders out there, that this was it, this is all there was. First 3 weeks of the year is where the selling came from. Now in come the buyers, and they just come in here and gobble up all this cheap stock because they're figuring, heck, if we recover half the losses, I'm already up a nice percentage on my money. I've already got a good year going. So don't be surprised if we get a rally. I'm not saying it's here. I'm saying it could be here. Now on GameStop, a little different scenario. It does follow the Dow somewhat, but it's also its own beast. And, we've got a lot of speculation out there between the believers and non-believers as to what's going on. And we've traded now on GameStop 5.6 million shares. Yeah, we did hit the low of 86.29 today. That's true. But it was only like $5 lower than yesterday. It's not like we dropped another $20. We only dropped 5. And now here we are. We may hang around here. We may hang around this 90 to 110 neighborhood, or 93 to 105 or something like that. We might be doing that for just a little bit as we kind of turn over through new shareholders. The rotation takes. We'll see. 96.70 right now on GameStop at the moment. Okay. 96.70. Okay. What else is going on? Is SoFi on the short sale restriction list? I think it is. SoFi hit a low of 1183. Yeah, so it's down 88 cents here at 1304, and it was $1.20 lower than this. So it was down $2. Short sale restricted. Yeah. Robert, Bruce, I am thumbs up number 145 for you, buddy. Robert, you are a good man. Thank you for helping out. I got 148 thumbs ups going right now. All of you guys who can help me out with a thumbs up for this afternoon show. The weaker of my two shows, I really could use some thumbs up action. Hit them, please. That would be beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. What a day, says False 798. I'm not, at least I'm not down 17% anymore. It's nice. You're coming back. Auntie saying to low boss, I'm just renewing my subscription. What's the big deal? I'm just renewing my subscription. Thank you, Auntie PC. I Smell Money says, you guys are getting ahead of yourselves about today. We still love the Fed meeting to get through for them to spook the markets again. We'll see. We still got a lot of stuff to watch for here. Okay, 97.30 on GameStop. The Dow's down 303 and trying to break the 300 barrier to be down less than 300. Can it do it? May have done it already. I probably missed it. Here it is at 300.08 points on the downside. S&P down in 46, NASDAQ down 108. We'll see if that happens. Let's see. Good afternoon, simpletons from Duncan. Munamu, I'm number 150, buddy. I'm there for you. Thank you, Munamu. Appreciate all of these thumbs ups now. And wow, look at that. 191 thumbs ups, just piling in. Thank you guys for really stepping in there. That is beautiful. I appreciate this. Get us over 200, 300. That'd be great. Rocket Lab, $8.76. We are 6 cents away from the high of the day. We're only down 24 cents on Rocket Lab. It is a definite uptick here. Second wave coming in, 4.69 million. 878 on Rocket Lab. We're 4 cents off the high of the day. We're still down 23 cents. So it's coming on, baby. Bring it, baby. Bring it. Let's see. SoFi down 79 cents, 13.10. GameStop 97.68 down 8.68. We're improving a bit. Matterport down 7 cents. Only 7 cents. 10.29. Oh, we just jumped again. We're down 4 cents. 10.29. That's the high of the day on Matterport. 10.29 down 4 cents on 15.3 million. Look at that Matterport coming on. Beautiful, baby. Keep it happening. We could go green on Matterport any moment here. 10.30, 3 cents away on Matterport from going into the green. The Dow's down 223 in 3 minutes. We just jumped 80 points on the Dow. Another 80 points on the Dow. Yeah, man, I like this. ME up 1 penny, 8.5 cent gain on Spire. We're down 18 on ATIP. We're down 15 on Smart Rent. We're up 33 on Sixtera. 8.77 on Rocket Lab, down only 23 centinos, kids. All righty. What can I say? These idiots realize that Matterport is the key to the metaverse. Oh, buddy, who else has all the terabytes of data they have amassed for 10 years? Everyone else will pay catch up. See what I did there? Catch up. Yes. Let's see. No Austin, no Michael. I guess no one is shotgunning beers today. Simon has joined the channel as a chillin' with Uncle Bruce member. Thank you, Simon Hall. Great. I'm really appreciating you're here with us. We have 226 thumbs ups now. We've just annihilated 200 thumbs ups. Let's go for 250. I'm sure we can do that too. We are down only 171 on the Dow. We could possibly turn green on the Dow today. We might go green on the Dow. We're only down 25 on S&P. We're only down 35 points on NASDAQ. We could go green on all three markets today, the way this is going. The Nasdaq's only down 0.18 of a percentage point. It's 1/5 of a point. We could be green in minutes the way this is coming on. Matterport is up a nickel now. It's green. ME is up 2. Spire's up 9.5. Sextera is up 36 cents. SmartRent's only down 15. It's coming on. ATIP down 19. We got Rocket Lab down 23. SoFi down 70 now at 13.19. And we have GameStop at 97.70, trying to go to 98. We got this market coming on like gangbusters. Nancy W. Bruce, I'm thumbs up number 215. Thank you. Spire's also going up. Woot, 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 woot. Yeah, baby, we're going up. Here it goes. We have got stuff moving. Samuel, I'm number 221, buddy. I'm there for you. Thank you, man. Thank you. 235 thumbs ups. Give me your thumbs up number, people. Thank you so much. You were one of the few YouTubers that didn't freak me out over the last couple of days. Your Sunday vid put my mind at rest. What are your thoughts on tomorrow? Simon, we could go higher tomorrow. We could be up 500 points on the Dow tomorrow. I'm not saying it'll happen, but it's technically entirely possible. Yeah, we could really surge up tomorrow. But then again, Putin might screw things up, and you know how it is. But there's money out there. There's a ton of money on the sidelines that wants to get in, and when people sense that they have an opportunity to get in cheap, they jump, and they're jumping right now. They're jumping in here. Matterport down 2 cents. ME up to. We're up 9.5 on Spire. HIP down 19. SmartRent down 16. Sextera up 34. The Dow down 157. S&P down only 19 points. The Nasdaq's only off 20 points. We could be green. We got 23 minutes to go. We could be up a couple hundred points tonight, right now. Watch this. This is huge. The Dow turnaround is over 900 points. That's a biggie. They're going to talk about that tonight. They're going to talk about this. On CNBC, they're going to talk about it. I'm telling you. Ooh, baby. Yeah, so Zach, Uncle Bruce, what does that mean if we make it green today? Your weekend update warned us of this being potentially bad. No, it all depends. I mean, you have a big drop off, and then you do the big turnaround and just keep piling and growing, and it just accelerates as it keeps going up. It's not like a weak upgrade. It's a strong upsurge. Technically, that's very good. We're way oversold on this market. Way oversold, okay? Grits is saying, yesterday I saw another multi-million-dollar real estate company using Matterport in Latvia. How about that? Yeah, like that. Matterport was green. It's green again, up 2 cents. Lovely. I hope this momentum carries over to tomorrow. It'll spur Asia. It'll spur Europe on for sure. Matterport up 4, ME up 3, Spire up 9.5, HIP down 20, SmartRent down 16, Sextera up 39 to 11.25. Rocket Lab 8.78, 4 cents away from the high of the day on Rocket Lab. That's all it is. 4 cents from the high of the day. Come on, Rocket Lab. You can do it. You can do it. There it goes. 8.79, another penny. SoFi 13.20, down only 69 cents. This is a dime from the high of the day on SoFi now. The low is 11.83. That's $1.40 ago, guys. Yeah, 13.23, just climbing again on SoFi. 13.23 coming on. Go SoFi, go. Go to 30. GameStop 97.46, down $8.90. Looking okay. Looking okay. The Dow down 164. That's 0.48%. S&P down 21 points, 0.48%. NASDAQ down 17 points, 0.13%. NASDAQ was the loser today. It was down double the Dow this morning. The Dow was down 0.7. NASDAQ was down 1.4%. It's now the leader. It's 0.12. It's 1/8 of a percentage point away from going green. We're down only 17 points on NASDAQ. Go. Now we're down 7 points on NASDAQ. We could be green any minute now, any second. 5/100ths of a percentage point. We're down 2.5 points on NASDAQ. Here we go. We're going green. Get ready, kids. Get ready. Here it comes. Down 4. It's going to go. You got to love this. Let's see here. My nephew has just been deployed to Ukraine. Ugh. Coyote, don't be blasphemous in here, Bruce. Will I have no idea what that means. He'll exterminate you? I don't know what that means. I'm listening to a meeting in one ear, writing code, and then listening to Uncle Bruce in the other ear, and I feel like I'm in a car wash or a car crash laughing out loud. Oh, man. What else is going on here? Bruce, this is one of the wildest days I've ever seen in the markets. Long calls on Bama's bags. There you go. Look at the Rocket Lab, down only 19 cents, 882 high today. It's only down 19 cents. We're going green on Rocket Lab. It's coming. The NASDAQ is green, up 1.5. We have recovered everything on NASDAQ. We're down 15 on S&P. We're down 120 on the Dow. We're coming on. 68 cents away on SoFi. 97.76 on GameStop, down 860. Matterport up 2. ME up 6. Spire up 9.5. ATIP down 18.5. And SmartRent down 16 cents. Cyxtera up 37. AMC down $1.43. Robinhood positive 12 cents. Vanik Vectors up $1. Home Depot up 12.29. Home Depot is $360. It was as low as $344. $16 turnaround today on Home Depot. That's a Dow 30 component. It's huge. That's huge. IBM down $1.60. Another IBM component, 127.76. Microsoft, another Dow component, down $1. It's at $2.95 a share. It got down to $2.76 today. This is a $19 turnaround on Microsoft. This is huge. This is huge, technically massive. It's a big freaking deal. We're down 68 cents on Microsoft. We're about to go green. Apple down $3. Goldman down $4 to $3.39. It was as low as $3.26. $13 turnaround on that Dow component. Yes, the Dow components are up. Facebook up 380. Amazon up 21.90. Amazon was as low as 27.07. It's at 28.69. $162 a share turnaround for Amazon today. $162 turnaround. We're going higher. We're going to go higher. Same thing with tomorrow. Let's see. Tesla down $38 at $9.05. Google down only $11, $25.90. We're down to $24.90. That's $100 on Google, baby. We're back. Looking good. Looking great. Target is up. Costco is up. Snowflake is up. DraftKings is up. DoorDash is higher. We got a whole bunch of stocks that are down pennies. Just pennies. We're about to clear another run here. 17 minutes. Little pullback and a possible run, maybe. I don't know. It looks good. Looks good. Whoo-wee. Let's go, says Jennifer Smith. Jennifer's got the right attitude. Let's go. Let's go. Unplug. Let's go. The Dow's down 196. S&P down 27. NASDAQ down 44. We're going to see these wild and wacky fluctuations here. We've got 17 minutes to go, and all kinds of stuff can happen in 17 more minutes. We could have 200 points of upside come in here across the board. I mean, I have no idea. Tiff says, I should stop chatting for today. My brain is liquid. I'm mixing up my languages. Let's see. Rocket Lab gone rocket fishing. The recovery team has been conducting drop and capture tests ahead of our first aerial rocket capture attempt this year. Can't wait to pluck Electron from the skies. Any thoughts on IBM tonight? Assuming the split will be confusing and guidance will likely have most impact. Yeah, I have no thoughts. No idea. I won't be able to stick around and watch with you because I got to leave right after the bell here. Jen and I have to get in our car, our Tesla. We got to drive and pick up the other one. We're picking up a Model Y today, so we're switching. And then I got to get the other one, get back here, and get back on the air for 7 o'clock tonight on TWB, and at 8 o'clock tonight on Traveling with Bruce. Do you think there could be a computer buy in the last 15 minutes? Yeah, could be buys and sells. Quite active. We'll see how that works. Lame duck. I made $448 on GameStop and Apple. I sold Friday, bought back today. Not bad for 2 days' work. Not bad on the weekend. That's pretty good. I couldn't watch the bloodbath again today, says Will. Watch the movie instead, then watch the recording and fast forward while SoFi climbed over a buck. Basically, it's a green day for me. Grits, Putin is just a show off. If he starts anything, the billionaires will put in the dude in his place due to the sanctions, loss of money. The shelves are already empty there. Should I write GameStop cover calls or should I wait? I would wait and see what kind of a uptick we get here. Nicholas Lavilla, meet Kevin sold his entire portfolio, probably at the low, maybe, huh? I don't know. I will see. Malo Shaka, I bought mine back today and I'm chilling over the sidelines for a bit. John, PSA, make sure you are aware of your trade settings. First in, first out, last in, first out. That mistake was final straw, me having to pull the plug on SPIR. Noto tweet, NFC champion at Super Bowl, back-to-back SoFi Stadium, Rams, double exclamation mark, fantastic. Nick S, till those tanks go back to the barracks, I would take the opportunity to sell if you earn a profit, I would say. There you go. Joe, first world problems, changing out Teslas. Haha. John, I was unaware I was selling my highest value shares rather than the most recent I purchased to average down. False swapping, whip swapping in plain English. I don't know what this means here. You're going to enjoy the extra room in the Tesla Model Y. You're going to like this. Niners going to play in SoFi Stadium 2 more times this year. Well, we'll see what happens, kid. We'll see. We're down 170 on the Dow. Another little climb coming on here. We're down 24 on S&P, down 32 on NASDAQ. And the United States places up to 8,500 troops on alert, heightened alert for possible deployment amid Russia tension. That ought to get Putin's attention, don't you think? 8,500 U.S. troops. 97.95 on GameStop. Down 841 right now. Dow down 97. We're coming on. Tesla 99.89. We're climbing. GameStop 99.89. Now $100 a share on GameStop. The Dow down 97. S&P down 14. NASDAQ down 13. We got a gain going here. Another surge. 876 on Rocket Lab, down 23 cents. SoFi 1317, down 72. We're down 640 on GameStop. Matterport up 7 cents. ME up 5.5. Spire up 8.5. HIP down 20. Smart Rent down only 12 cents, 6.99. Sextera up 31 cents. We're going to go green. The way this is going on Smart Rent, we might even make it on Rocket Lab. I don't know. We'll see. So if I get a late surge, that'd be kind of nice. Let's see what happens. GameStop, $100 a share. Right there. What can I say? Enkelbers, any thoughts on the Russian central bank and market? Apparently it is in free fall. The whole Russian markets are in free fall. They're nervous as heck over there. My brother's Model Y got delayed a few more months, says Jeff. I like those words. I stick to last in, first out. I need Jen to release her picks so I can YOLO into the casino. GameStop near 100. That's what my intentions were. I was set by default to the first in, first out. Let's see. Beach Boy, I'm number 270. Simpleton would like to ask Uncle Bruce if to place more covered calls or wait. You want to wait. You want to wait now. You want to wait. Zach, Biz, we got this. We shouldn't even be here now. This is when SF is at its best. San Francisco. Matterport in the green, says Credit Savage, up 9 cents to 1042. The Dow's down 48 points. S&P down 6. NASDAQ up 10.5. 12 minutes to go. We're climbing yet again. Matterport in the green. Thank you. Whoever you are that sold me your shares at 920, I'll take good care of your shares. Hold them dearly and sell as many covered calls to honor you. I will take care of those shares. I promise. I'll be kind. Rocket Lab down 22 cents to 878. SoFi 1315 down 74. GameStop $100, 46 cents. Let it ride. Let it ride. Let it go. Worry not, anyone. If you've written calls, don't worry about it. Wants to go higher, don't worry about it. This is what you want. You want the stock to go up a lot. We're going to be fine. Matterport, 1044 down, up 11. 1044 up 11 on Matterport. We got Scott Goldman. Thanks, buddy, for that donation. Thank you. We're up 11 on Matterport. ME up 6.5. Spire up 9. We're down 21 on HIP. We're down 14 on Smart Rent. We're up 34 on Sextera. AMC down 135. Robinhood down 2. Vanik up $1. 36. Home Depot up $13. IBM down only 99 cents. Microsoft down a nickel. Apple up down only 226. Goldman down 199 at 341.92. Goldman has come back $16 from the low of the day. Goldman, nice move, and could have a nice run tomorrow, and then we get ready to write contracts. Oh, it's looking good. Cisco up 8 again. It's come all the way back. It's now up 14. Facebook up 5. Amazon up 28. Tesla down 26. Google down $1.80. We are coming on. The Dow down 49 points. S&P down 8.7. 6.9 on S&P. We're coming on. The Nasdaq's up 14.4. There you go. There you go. There you go. Afternoon, all from Nacho Concern. What? Spire down 10% to up 5% on 800,000. Real? What? What? Oh, yeah, I wrote another cover call on GameStop when it popped up. Nice, nice. Goldman, nice comeback to over 100% up for the day. Nice. Let's see, 10 minutes warning from Larry. That's right, buddy. NASDAQ is green. That's right. SoFi is going to get easily $1 billion of free advertising between the NFC Championship and the Super Bowl. SoFi is honestly a ticking time bomb. And when it runs up, it will be violent and quick. And I couldn't agree more. I could not agree more than with that. Absolutely, you are on it. 9 minutes to go. Plus 37 points on the Dow. We're green on the Dow. We've recovered 1,200 points today. We're up 1 point on S&P. We're up 42 on NASDAQ. Green everywhere on the big markets. Rocket Lab, 877 down 23. SoFi still down 72 cents. GameStop, $100.72 down 564. Matterport up 11. ME up 12. Spire up 8.5. ATIP down 18. SmartRent down 11. Cyxtera up 33. AMC down $1.28. Robinhood plus a penny. Vanik up 2.35. Home Depot up 14. IBM down 47 cents. Dow's up 80 now. Microsoft up 19. Apple down $1.30. Goldman down 95 cents. Cisco up 17. Facebook up 5. Amazon up 31. Tesla down $18 and coming on fast. Google up down $1 and coming on. Bed Bath Beyond up $1. Look at that. Target up $2.80. JP Morgan up 7 cents. Costco up $7.70. Walmart up 23 cents. Twitter's up 17 cents. Snowflake up $10. Workday up $1. DoorDash up $1.20. Micron up 77. Intel down only 22 cents. The markets are surging here. We're coming on 880 on Rocket Lab, down 19 cents. The Dow up 80. We're up 130 on the Dow. Pardon moi. 14-point gain on S&P. Nasdaq up 77. We are flying here with 7 minutes to go. Big buy programs are kicking in here and gobbling up the bargoons, and they are everywhere. They were everywhere. They're not everywhere now, I suppose. Wow, isn't that fun? Grab some Spire at 202, says Joshua. 230 now. 230 on Spire. 319 on ATIP. 702 on SmartRent. 460 ME. 1040 Matterport up 7 cents. Rocket Lab 880. The high today 883. 5 million volume. We're coming on in 19 cents away. I bought some more SoFi today along with GameStop, says British Shilling. Let's see. I'm going to hold off the bells. Larry, hold off the bells right now. I'm making money. Let's go. Dow, 1,200 point move from low to high. That's right. 1,200 points on the Dow from low to high. Let's see. Let's go. Goldman Sachs is gone green, says DQ. Obama Coyote. Feb for 2 weeks out, $100 strike. I usually can pick up $200 to $300 per covered call. Let's see. Zach, that was the moment. Lots of screaming and joy. Credit Savers, they've already talking of SoFi Stadium on MSNBC and CNBC. Beautiful stadium, state of the art, sponsored by SoFi Bank. Yes, SoFi Bank, Noto Index, NFL exec, and Goldman Sachs. He has friends at the networks. Exactly. Watch out. 1320 on SoFi. Still down 70 cents. It's such a bargain. It's unbelievable. 1183 this morning. 132 million traded. When will they run out of stock? They got to be out soon. They got to be out soon. We are positive. We have got 5 minutes to go. 42-point gain on the Dow now, 52-point gain, 74-point gain on the Dow, coming on again. 7 points on S&P positive, 58 on NASDAQ. We are green, green, and green. Like it a lot. 707 down dip on the GameStop, 99.28. Matterport, 1036 up 2. ME up 9.5. Spire up 8.5. ATIP still down 18. Smart Rent down 12. Sixtera up 33 cents. Microsoft down $1.33. Apple down 150. Goldman Sachs down $1.70. We are jumping everywhere. Fritz Keller, that was easy. British, whilst I was in the USA, I bought tickets for the Cowboys versus the Bears. That was a disappointment. Wasn't quite what it said on the tin. DQ, the market's going up. Yep, they're going up. 74-point gain on the Dow, 7 on S&P, NASDAQ up 50. Coming on, man. Here we go. What a turnaround today. What an incredible turnaround. Another sell program kicking in at the moment. Up 35 on the Dow. We were only up 9 a second ago. Up 2 on S&P, up 48 on NASDAQ. We are doing this with 2 minutes, 3 minutes to go. We are jumping everywhere here. Rocket Lab, 872. SoFi, 1320, still down 70 cents on the day. SoFi is a lagger. Now down 66, coming on a tiny bit, but it is still off. Amazing. Just amazing how cheap that stock is. 1324 down 66 cents. Now down 65 cents. We're up 46 on Dow, 4.7 S&P, 50 points on NASDAQ. As we're coming into the final minute or two, we're up 84 on the Dow, 8.8 on S&P, 67 on NASDAQ, climbing again. British shilling. Then I bought tickets for the Giants versus the Jets. Another missed opportunity. Samuel, hey, bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Good luck at the Riverboat Casino. Right on, Samuel. Thanks for being here today, buddy. Matterport up 7. ME up a dime. Spire up a dime. SoFi down 62 cents. 13.27 on Spire. There must be somebody selling out stock. I can't explain it any other way why SoFi wouldn't be part of this. It's coming on. I mean, it was low as 1183. It's a $1.40 better off. 133 million. There's volume, but it's still down on the day. The Dow is now in the last 2 minutes up 97 points. S&P up 11. NASDAQ up 77. What a run here. A big, juicy recovery sets up a big start tomorrow. It's going to be interesting. 13.28 on SoFi, down 61 cents. Coming on. Just a bit. Coming on. GameStop, 99.59, down 670, rather, 660, 99.76 on GameStop. SoFi, 13.30, down 59 cents. Another little bump up. SoFi is at its high of the day. 13.30, the high of the day. 133.8 million right now in SoFi. It's still down 59 cents. Great Saturday show. Just what was needed on the week, said Joe. Thank you, sir. Nacho concern. Later on, work is calling. Sold my $5 calls this morning for $11. See y'all tomorrow. Lovely. This day flew by, says Coyote. It felt like a long one to me, I'll tell you. We're up 108 on the Dow. We're into the last minute. 132 on the Dow gain, 16 on S&P, 97 on NASDAQ, climbing again. And the SoFi 13.28, down 61 cents. Rocket Lab down 27. GameStop 99.86. Matterport up a dime. ME up 8.5. Spire up 9.5. ATIP down 18. Smart Rent down 11. Sixtera up 35. Still no participation on all of our stocks. Just on some of them right now. But the Dow, what a turnaround here as Larry is going to hit those bells. I think SoFi would be much higher if there was more knowledge of Galileo that they own and what it is. They'll figure it out, but it'll be at much higher prices. But yeah, I hear you. 1333 now on SoFi, down 56 cents. 1335. We're at the high of the day at the bell here towards the end of the day on SoFi, but we're just not getting the big gain on that stock today. The rest of the market did do a turnaround, but not SoFi. A complete turnaround. Partial, but not complete. 1330 on the SoFi, 1044 on Matterport, 458 on ME, and Spire 231.5. Larry, boom, the bells are going. Larry, thank you, my man. As always, what a day. Zach clapping. Phew, says DQ. Thank you, Larry Titus. Man, what a day today. The Dow looks like it's up 85 here. It's still going through all its gyrations, up 101 now. There'll still be a couple more minutes of changes. Man, that's unreal. SoFi 1330 last trade on the Dow from what it looks like. And now it's 1334 on the aftermarket for SoFi. GameStop 99.89 was the last trade on the market, 99.89, and 98.90 on the aftermarket, down 99 cents. So we're watching all kinds of fluctuations here. The Dow still showing a 101 gain, 101 point gain, first in 7 days. 12-point gain on S&P, 86-point gain on NASDAQ. It's been a while since all three have been green at the same time at the end of the day. It has been a while. Go get your Model Y. Uncle Bruce will see you tomorrow. I'm getting ready pretty soon to get going here. Unbelievable. What a day. Good hustle out there, everybody, says Will. Bama just posted on Stock Markets with Bruce Facebook a couple of articles that just came out on SoFi and GameStop. GameStop closed at $100.15. I'm showing it at $99.89 and $99.18. So, wherever you see it, Scully, I like it. It's better, a lot better than it was. How about that? What a crazy day. Thank you, Scott Combin, so much. Uncle Bruce, you the man, but then again, behind every great man is a great woman. I hear you there, my friend. Thank you for your donation on PayPal. You are awesome, my friend. Thank you so much. There's so much going on here. My God, what a day. We're down over 1,100. We're down 1,100 points on the Dow. We ended up with a gain of 100. Man, what a turnaround. Crazy, baby. Crazy. Thank you. Those of you who are looking to join me and Jennifer and I this weekend, on Saturday, we have our class going at 10 o'clock Eastern Time. We're going to do a live class this Saturday. If you'd like to join us as viewers and as participants and ask us questions on the air, by all means, we'd love to have you. Make sure you send me a private email right here at bruceferman@hotmail.com. Say, hey, Bruce, I would like a slot for the class. I need you to send me a donation of $150 on our PayPal link, which is down below. That guarantees you a slot for the class, 10 o'clock Eastern Time, this Saturday. We're going to talk about writing poor man covered call contracts. The name of the class, the title of this lesson is Using the Poor Man Covered Call Writing Strategy to Quit Your Day Job. I thought that was a pretty good title. Kind of says it all, doesn't it? You want to quit your day job? Why don't you check us out on Saturday? And I'll go over all that. Jen will be the moderator of the class, and you'll be able to learn all about how to do it. Today is a classic example of poor man covered call opportunities here. Doesn't matter if the markets are up or down. There's stuff you've got to do all the time if you're a poor man covered call writer, and you got to be on top of a few things. We'll be going over all of that this Saturday, 10 o'clock Eastern. Join us live if you'd like to register for that class. Send me an email. Say, Bruce, yeah, baby, I'm in. I want to be in on this. It's going to be 2.5 hours. After the class is over, we will then send the class to Emily, who is my editor. She will edit that class for the website, stockmarketswithbruce.ca. And we'll have that up on Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. And all of you who are in the class will receive your own link to the website's posting of that class. You can watch it again as many times as you want. Because once you're a live member of that class, you always have access to that class going forward. So thank you all who have already indicated an interest. Some of you already sent us $150. Some of you people send me $150 and then you send me an email. By the way, I sent you $150. I want to do that class. You got to send me an email, because if you don't, I can't send you the link. I need to send you the link. So thank you all. Appreciate that. No pulling hair, and don't be putting any hair in inkwells. That is not allowed. Thank you guys so much for being here. Okay, I'm going to pack this up, and I'm going to grab Jen, and we're going to head in the car to get our Tesla. We're now switching Teslas today. Going to get our hands on a Model Y now, and then I'll be back here in front of this computer, but I won't be on this channel. I'll be on Traveling with Bruce at 7 o'clock Eastern for members of that channel, and then 8 o'clock I will be live on Traveling with Bruce. Anyone can watch there. 8 o'clock tonight. Come and join in and say hi to us over there, because there's a whole gang of people over there that don't know who you are. Come by and say hello if you can. And we're going to talk travel tonight. We got all kinds of crap going on. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable what's going on out there. Thank you again, everybody, for your kind words, your donations, your thumbs ups, becoming channel members, Gold Bagel channel members. You guys are unbelievable. What a day we've had today. It's one for the record books. It's one of the biggest days of all time. Huge turnaround. We'll be talking about this one for quite some time. Should be interesting opening tomorrow. Look forward to it. Join me tomorrow before 8:30 in the morning. If you're a Gold Bagel member, be here. I'll go live earlier. We'll talk some trading strategies first thing in the morning. All Gold Bagel members can kick in for that show. And then at 8:30, we'll start the show off 1 hour before the opening. Watch the pre-market together, see what the hell's going on, and see how we can make some more money tomorrow. Some of you make money today. More of you will make money tomorrow, I hope. And some of you are richer today, on paper at least, because the stocks went up a little bit. So let's see, $100.10 on GameStop on the aftermarket. It would appear, yes, $100.10 on the aftermarket on GameStop. Yay! All I say is just go higher. We can always do rollovers if we have to. Such a problem. Okay, guys, have a great rest of the day today. Thank you for everything. So appreciate you all being here. And I appreciate that you're here. What a roller coaster today. It was crazy. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening, everybody, and a good night. And either see you on TWB tonight or see you here tomorrow morning. All right, guys? Take care. Peace out. Bye.